Hi everyone! I recently received a package from ICOICE, which is a contact lenses company. So today, I'll be doing unboxing and giving you guys my honest review, and just look how cute the packaging is. I'm so excited! I received 5 different colored contact lenses that I will be showcasing on my eye today, and each pair is in this very cute box with a fun name. You can order them with prescription or without prescription, so I picked 3 with prescription and 2 normal ones. Each box clearly shows the expiry date and how long each pair is meant to be used. Always double-check that information and make sure you're not wearing the lenses longer than recommended. It also came with 2 tweezers and 2 applicators in these 2 cute boxes. There is more contact lenses. This is in shade Snowflake Gray. I'm excited to try this one. When it comes to contact lenses, there are a lot of things you need to be aware of before buying it, like the thickness of the contact lens, the size, and the material it's made of, and other factors, of course. But these are the main ones that I always look out for, because being comfortable in your contact lenses is the most important thing for me. Here we have 4 boxes with a very cute animal print on them. I assume these are contact lens cases. I just love how the way they are packaged and how ICOICE represent their products. I personally love brands when they make their packaging look cute and pretty, because that's one thing that I always look for. In case you're wondering, ICOICE actually comes from the words icon and voice. The whole idea behind the brand is helping you express your own style, kind of like finding your own voice and becoming your own little icon through makeup and colored lenses. Here is a step-by-step instructions on how to safely wear your contact lenses. One thing I really liked is their packaging. It's super cute, very aesthetic, and it's actually 100% recyclable. They use environmentally sustainable materials, so nothing feels wasteful. And of course, everything is FDA and CE approved, so the lenses meet safety standards. They're one of the safe contact lens brands, which gives me peace of mind when I'm putting anything in my eyes. I'm excited to see what the contact lens cases look like, so let's unbox this. This is actually really cute and tiny. It's super portable and doesn't take up much space at all. You can open both the top and bottom compartments, so it's perfect for storing your lenses neatly. I'm going to go ahead and unbox the rest of the contact lens cases. These are the tweezers and the applicators. Let's unbox this. Let's go ahead and unbox these colored contact lenses and try them on together. This is shade Marble Brown. Every shade is going to be linked in the description below. Here's a before natural color of my eyes. And here is after wearing shade Marble Brown. I love how realistic this look on me. The contact lenses were very thin and putting them on was super easy too. Up next is shade Bloom Green. These looked super gorgeous on their website and had to try them. My eyes have never looked this gorgeous. The green is so pretty and honestly way better than I expected. This is in shade Queen Chocolate. Once again, every shade and the link will be in the description below in case you're interested. This is how it looks on my eyes, very cute. This is the shade DNA Taylor Brown. I saw it on the website and it looked amazing on their model, so I'm excited to see if it looks just as good on me. I think it looks amazing. Definitely one of my top favorite. Last but not least, we have this in shade Snowflake Gray. This actually looked very natural from afar. After using your contact lenses, it's really important to follow proper care steps to keep your eyes healthy. Always wash your hands with soap and water before touching your lenses and make sure your hands are completely dry. When you're done, clean the lenses gently with solution and store them in their contact lens case filled with fresh solution. This is how I stored my ICOICE contact lenses.